followed by Jessica Thamova in class 2. She is dressed like Panna like one of the female freedom fighters from our state, from the village number 9, which falls under the Kanaka with the message, sign language is our freedom. Followed by Nanda Tamben Monsi from class 5. She is dressed as a little judge. With a message, justice for all, equal rights. Followed by one people, Nauna. She is a student, a pre-vocational student, just like a freedom bird. With a message, sign language set me free. And then followed by Perna from class down from class 4, dressed like a teacher. With a message, no human rights without sign language. Thank you.
Yes.